Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you 10 legit solo money methods that you can use right now after the mentions DLC in GTA 5 online. No glitches, no cheats, no friends needed, just the real methods that you can repeat and stack to make millions. Now, the number one is the KO Perico heist solo. With stealth and the drainage tunnel route, it is still one of the biggest solo payouts and it can be repeated for the consistent money. Number two is agency pay phone hits. Always do the bonus assassination objectives. They pay very high for only a few minutes of work. Number three is security contracts in the agency. You can pick the short ones like vehicle recovery and the gang termination and change them between the cooldowns. Number four is nightclub passive income. You can assign the technicians, keep the warehouse supplied, and sell the stock when full. Easy passive cash while you do other activities. Number five is acid lab or MC business sales. Do resupply missions or buy the supplies and sell in public lobbies with low player counts for the bonus money. Number six is VIP work like headhunter and sightseer. These are quick, solo friendly, and great feeler jobs between the bigger activities. Number seven is social cargo and vehicle cargo in CEO offices. Source alone, store safety, and sell in the batches for big payouts. Number eight is the time trial or the HSW time trial. You can learn the route, you can use the fast bike or the car, and you can basically quick solo cash in minutes. Number nine is contact missions and the new missions DLC jobs. These often have bonus money events and you can pay the double and the triple cash some weeks. Number 10 is the daily objectives and the streaks. Completing them every single day also adds up fast and also helps the new players earn steady income. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.